Chris Hall here with Turfs Up Landscaping, and in this video we're going to be tightening the chain on the Echo CS400 chainsaw. If this is your first time watching, please take the time to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to unloosen these two bolts here, 1 and 2, and then you see this right here. This is going to be your tightening mechanism. So what you're going to do, you want to loosen these two and twist this counterclockwise to create the tension, and it'll tighten it up. And I'll show you just how to do that. The two tools I'm using, 14 mil flathead screwdriver, 14 mil for these two bolts, and the flathead for the tensioner. You just want to loosen it just a little bit. You don't even necessarily have to take the bolts off all the way. Just get it loose. As you can see here, just get it loose. You don't have to take them off all the way. We have the tightening mechanism, and as you see, the chain is getting tighter. See? Just with that little twist, it's getting tighter. You don't want it too tight, but just enough slack. That's good. I actually might loosen it just a little bit, just a tad. Yeah, that's perfect. So after you tighten it with the flathead screwdriver, go ahead and tighten your bolts back up. So you don't want it too tight. Just snug. That's snug right there. That's perfect. Two bolts, nice and snug. We have our chain tight. That's perfect. Just as a tip, guys, always check your ball oil before you start cutting. You want to make sure you definitely have enough of that. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe to the channel. And go ahead and like the video, and also leave me some comments, guys. Two tools used, 14 mil and a flathead screwdriver. Catch you on the next one.